Welcome to Valley West Christian Center and Insight TV. We want to let you know that we have childcare available for you during the second service. We also have Reality Kids that begins at 10:30. Reality Youth and childcare will start at the end of worship. Don't forget that we have some really great midweek activities going on Wednesday nights. Reality Youth and Kids, as well as adult Bible study classes, begin at 6:30. Don't forget to grab a bulletin to stay plugged in. Now, let's see what's happening.
I was baptized in the summer months of 1998 at Las Brisas swimming pool. It was a day that I had decided that I needed to get closer to God and to be washed of all my sins. I believe a new believer should be baptized because it's an understanding of being closer to God. It's a new beginning for them to be cleansed of all their sins and to just give it all to God for everything that He's going to do for you and that He has done for you.
Hello, my name is Ryan McWhorter. I'm the ministry leader for Celebrate Recovery at Valley West. We've seen so many lives changed through this ministry, not only individuals, but families restored and reunited. The thing is that this program is about the love of Jesus Christ, and we are dealing with life's hurts, habits, and hang-ups. And it's a place where people can come and feel safe and start to share about their lives and get open and honest with themselves and with God. So come out and join us on Friday night here in the main sanctuary, where we will be having worship, testimonies, chips for sobriety, and then we have Solid Rock at the end of the night. So come join us and break bread with us.